All right, what's up, guys? Definitely a change of scenery. We got ourselves a 20-foot dovetail trailer. This needs some work. We got it for, a steal, under 1,500 bucks. And now we're gonna go through the process of renovating this thing, putting in new pressure-treated wood, and repainting the whole thing, power washing it, you name it. We're gonna get it done clean. Clean up the wheels, possibly paint the wheels as well. Got a little dent in the toolbox. I got a jack to go in there, jack that in. Replace all the lights on here, make sure everything is functioning, and yeah, stay tuned for the process. All right, good morning, guys. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. We just started to get some snow. Home Depot's on their way to drop off the pressure treated lumber. I'm going to try my best to clean up this driveway so it's as easy as him to lay the wood right there. All right, so we got 14 2x10 by 20 foot long pressure treated number 2 wood. Don't mind the snow. This is not going to do anything to this pressure treated wood. We're looking at the ratings and stuff like that, without putting a sealant on it, maybe 15-20 years with this pressure treated wood. A little bit more expensive, but what we're going to be loading on this trailer, we want it to be the best, the best option for us to go, going forward. So it's here, it's pressure treated, and we're not going to let the snow slow us down. We're going to come out here. I'll get my air blower, blow all this snow off the trailer right now. Amazon just dropped this 6 o'clock in the morning. Amazon just dropped off the new trailer lights, new amber lights, new wiring loom, and the new trailer wiring. So I'm going to finish up the driveway, finish up the walkway, salt everything down so that later on it's a little bit easier to clean up all the snow, and I'm going to get right to work on this trailer.
Because I see all these cars like the SRTs and shit with Brem boots.
Yep. Yep. Start curving it. The plow. Yep. Yep. Bring it straight in. Hold on, let me get this brick out the way. A little bit more. All right, stop. Now. Turn it, yeah. Perfect, keep coming this way. Yep. Yep. A little bit more. Fucking God. Yeah. So fucking nutty. See the control arm? Pop the control arm real quick.
Because are we gonna be able to close the door? Just gonna have to back off the trailer. I mean, back off of it. I'm standing on this so you can just slide it off. Yeah, you just gotta back up. You're good. You're good. Let's avoid all cracks as possible. Exactly. We're in. And then when it's time to move it, you go back.
No, put it in your shop so you can have it.
Facts. You already know.